Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Scott in New Hampshire on this DaveMade 1x4. Scott, you know the condition it was in when it was shipped to you used. We got it in, we fixed your variable potentiometer here, did away with the marker writings that were on here, put some labels on it, cleaned it up a little bit, put all new hardware in it, tuned the input and output match. Also added, you can see back there, 2 silver SO239s with Teflon insulators. She turned out real nice. I'm going to show you what we got here real quick, Scott. Jump straight to the 1000 watt slug, PEP on the bottom scale. About 200 watts. Hello audio. Hello audio. 1000 watt slug in the corner. Go over some RMS readings. Should see about 250, 300. Hello 11111. Hello audio. About 350, 360 RMS. Alright Scott, she's ready to come back to New Hampshire with its mirror finish. You're good to go, my friend. From truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bye bye.